All right, and now we have it. So this is my first test print of the doggy poop head design, and the screws worked really well, so I'm really happy with that. One thing to note is if your first layers get kind of squished to the bed, it may interrupt or kind of mess up your threading, so you may have to use a raft if you need it, but this was printed with no rafts and a support for the inside, but the roll fits really nicely. And let's see if I can get a little piece out here. Yeah. So it just slides right in, and then I can just easily screw that on. There we go. Screw that on right there. And, pull out a little doggy bag. And so the doggy bag hole is a little small. So, I may want to go and increase that a little bit, but as long as you can kind of feed it and get it started, it should, let the bag dispense until the roll runs out. One thing I did note is that I may want to make the little leash clips just a little bit more tighter just to kind of grip the leash, but overall they cling to the leash really well, and it's very easy to put on. And these are things that you're just going to have to, make prints and try and kind of test things if you are making new products. One thing that I know that I don't want to keep is, how we put the spike on the top, it actually failed. The support inside failed, and so the inside a little spindle didn't print properly. So I may go ahead and maybe just not even use the top spike because it seems to be holding it in, and then you can rip a new bag out. So I don't really think we need the top spike, and then that will let this design be 100% 3D printable with no rafts, no supports, and can print within a few hours. So good job if you made it this far. Very kind of complex design and workflow, but hopefully you learned a ton, and it will help you create any 3D printed products that you want to create in the future. So thanks for taking the course, and let's keep on designing. Later, y'all.